Hey everyone, it's Tammy, and I have some stickers here from the Happy Cutie Studio. I found them on Etsy, and this is not the first time I've purchased from them, but it's been a while, so I was excited to see them again and be reunited. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. And they do come from overseas. I don't even remember where it is that they come from. Let me look at the envelope again. It is from Great Britain. So, very cool. Goodness. Excuse me. All right, so I have a reward card. And this is their, like, little logo. Isn't that cute? I mean, it just makes you feel good and want to order stuff. And then here is a little sampler. Don't let your ice cream melt while you're counting someone else's sprinkles. Oh, that's a good one. And then use this koala sticker on your reward card. And then get it done. And it says the reward card, there's 5 koalas. Complete your card. Message me via Facebook, Etsy, or Instagram with a photo of your card, and then get a coupon for 20% off. So that's pretty cool. And then this says, don't let your ice cream melt while you're counting someone else's sprinkles. And it's an August calendar. How cool is that? And this is the summer 2019 sampler. Best day ever. This is SPF 30 ice cream and cool sandwich. That sounds good right now. Watching TV with popcorn, some broccoli. Early night, early start, finally. I haven't seen that one yet. That's cute. And here is a pill tracker because I have pills that I need to take every day. So this is kind of a cute, different way to do it rather than just the weekly habit tracker that I use. So I thought this was really cute. And here is the koala getting his craft on with scissors and glue. And let's see, here is a little lady with coffee, and you can pick their hair color. And then this is festive food shopping stickers. I don't know why she's upset with some of them, but like she's upset, then she's happy. She's upset and happy, upset and happy. I don't know why she's upset. Maybe she couldn't find what she wanted. What was that ham from the Cranks? Christmas with the Cranks. There was some honey ham she couldn't get. That would be funny. Goodness, I'm sorry there's a big shadow. I don't know which one is causing that. Is it this one? Oh, it might be this one. There, that's better. A little bit anyway. So watering the plants. And some cute checklist stickers. I like to use these at work, so I'm going to put those in a different pile because I'm going to take these to work with me. And here's some fall ones and some Christmas ones. This says pumpkin spice latte. These are buy pet food. This one's clean the stinky toilet. Here's a cookie countdown to Christmas or to whatever, but I was thinking Christmas. A black cat poses sticker sheet. I like the knitting ones. And here is a Christmas countdown. And this guy is stitching. This is Coco sewing. And here is Coco relaxing with a drink. Some Christmas lights. Some Christmas check-up boxes or checklists. Halloween 2018 it says, but I don't care. Some other checklists. Student loan due. I don't want those, but it's a necessity. I love coffee, coffee time. And I got 2 of those, one for a friend and one for me. This one says drink hot cocoa, wrap presents, write cards, postcards, shop for gifts, build a snowman, and I got 2 of those as well. Oh, I don't mean to put those over there. Oh, none of those go over there. Oops. Here is a cleaning checklist. Some hot chocolate stickers, or that can be coffee as far as I'm concerned. Some cute cleaning ones. Car wash stickers. And then these are neat. These are unique where you take this and this sticks down to your page, and then this folds over and this folds on top. So when you're looking at it, it's like an accordion. You see this sticker, but then you open it up and it looks like a little book. So it's like a little planner and you can write whatever you need to in there. I thought those were unique and fun. So I got 2 of those. And then I got lots of different weekend stickers that are really cute. These are like holidays. And then I got a couple of these for different planners or whatever. Oh, I didn't realize there were 3 sets in each. So I'll have one to give to a friend, but you know, it's the whole month and it's just little monthly tabs. And then this says, I followed my heart and it led me to the freezer. How cute is that? So that's fun. And that's just included in there. I did not order that. So very fun. I like the stickers. I like the freebies. They do a great job. I really do love their stickers. So I would hopefully suggest that you guys, or I wouldn't hopefully, I would suggest that you guys check them out. And hopefully you do, because you will love the stickers too. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. And I will talk to you all very soon. Happy shopping!